Life's good.
Good morning. Anyway, today we're going to Cars and Coffee. Now, I was supposed to finish the vlog with putting my fuel pump and my downpipe on, but I just barely woke up. I'll see you guys on the road in the M235 big boost powered car. Oh my God, I'm not used to waking up this early, so see you guys in a second.
Well, we're awake now.
GPS connected.
This thing doesn't have that rough of a cold start, honestly, so. But it is cold, so I'm gonna turn on those heated seats, which I wish I had in my car still. But as you guys can see, we got the cage right here, so it's a luxurious race car. Now, first off, we gotta stop by the shop real quick, and then once we stop by the shop, then we should be solid to go ahead and wipe down the car and head over to Cars and Coffee, which is about 30 to 40 minutes from the shop. So go ahead and get started heading there, man. Got about half tank of gas. That should get us pretty darn close. We're gonna stop at Starbucks on the way to get coffee, because getting coffee there is like absolutely not gonna happen. Just getting warmed up, so I'm not gonna get into it really yet, but you guys will see a little something. I'll show you guys kind of what the car is slightly capable of. It's not my car, so I'm not gonna drive it like it's my car. I'm gonna drive it even more carefully than I would drive my own car, because obviously if it was mine, I'd be pushing it. But yeah, this car honestly scares me, guys. It's got a big boost kit on it. It's got every bell and whistle you could possibly put on an M55. Port injection. It's even got S63 injectors out of an M5. It has the most fuel impossible. He did everything under the moon you could do to this car, and pretty much broke everything in order to get to the point where it is now, except for the motor. That's the only thing that hasn't gone. So he's figured out pretty much everything to fix on this vehicle and has upgraded everything. So it's pretty much the perfect M55 build at this point. It sounds amazing. I mean, as you guys can hear, you know. Sounds great. Sounds amazing. Alrighty. We have now picked up our, well, chai latte, but coffee for Cars and Coffee. Getting on the highway now. And we should be there in approximately 30 minutes, so let's beat that time, you know what I'm saying? We're vibing. Look at that beautiful R8, man. That thing looks gorgeous. Wow. Jeez. That thing is super clean. All satin black. Pulling up to Cars and Coffee in San Clemente right now. It's kind of an overcast kind of day right now, but it's all good. We're vibing. That thing sounds amazing. This thing sounds amazing. I'm in heaven right now. So, man, it looks like we're driving into Motorfest around here. We got the old school cars in the whip, you feel me? Got this beautiful Corvette behind us as well, looking amazing. Got a Mustang up there with some bead locks on it. As you can see, we're pulling up now. You can see all the cars, all the people. It's pretty early still. I think it's not even 9 o'clock yet, which is technically when the meet starts. But yeah, we're gonna park up right now, and then I'll get some shots from the outside. But looks pretty busy today. All the supercars and everything are on that side, so we'll take a look at that as well. Ooh, the SC300 is hitting, but yeah, we'll get parked up and then go take a look at everything. This thing is absolute perfection, like absolute perfection. This thing is gorgeous. That's a 992. Got GTR and RX-7 right here. This is the Scat with the bead locks. Some full slicks on there too. It's pretty hard. Probably boogies, I guess. This RCF here on HREs looks super clean as well. This meat is pretty fire, man. Got a beautiful set of new generation M's over here. We got M3CS, another M3CS, M4 CSL. I mean, it's a beautiful lineup over here. You got an M5 CS down there. Honestly, this lineup is crazy. Wow. Look at that. This thing is gorgeous. The whole lineup. Just the CS, CSL lineup right here. This is wild. RS3s, man. Absolutely fire. This right here is hella clean. Beautiful wheel choice. I love that color too. That's insane. Well, the meat is definitely popping now. Everybody's here now. Pretty much everybody's done pulling in. There's a new Turbo S right here too. That thing looks amazing. R8s everywhere. There's so many cars I couldn't even cover them all. There's another GT3 RS right there. There's so many cars here. It's honestly crazy. So I'm usually not the biggest fan of stance stuff like this, but this is hella clean. This fitment is ridiculous. Super nice color choice. I love the chrome accents with the wheels. These SSRs, these Workmeisters are ridiculous. So yeah, this is probably one of my favorite Audis here besides that RS3 you guys saw earlier. This thing is super fucking clean. Alrighty guys, we have a pretty successful day here, honestly. Talked to a lot of people. The meet's like wrapping up now. The sun's coming out, so that's nice. But yo, what up you guys, MxgicIQ here. We are at 1320 wraps. That is my car with a whole bunch of shit in the trunk that I need to get out, but we are finally doing it. The car is smogged and ready to go, so we are going to be throwing all the modifications on. You guys saw we fixed it in the last episode. Today we're going to be throwing on an exhaust, also a high pressure fuel pump from the Supra, and a charge pipe as well, because the charge pipes on these cars, all three of them are plastic. So over time, what will happen is eventually, you know, those will blow up and leave you on the side of the road. You don't want to do that. So we have a CTS charge pipe today. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the install, and then afterwards we'll do a sound test and a couple other things like that. So I hope you guys are ready. It's been a while since my car has sounded good and been anywhere kind of decently quick, so this is gonna be fun for me as well. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys when we're throwing the mods on. Guys, so we got the old fuel pump out. As you can see, this is the stock B58 fuel pump from the Gen 1. Doesn't really do too much, but that one right there out of the Supra, that's gonna be able to provide us with the capabilities of going for E50 and just a lot more fuel to this motor. This is the only real holdback of the Gen 1 B58. So once you get rid of this, and that's a Michelin, man. You're pretty much able to go a little bit further with that pump right there. Next step up from this would be a Dorch or a spool, but me personally, I think this is all I need. Not really looking for crazy power. I think E50 is good enough. Alrighty guys, we got the car up in the air here. As you can see, the airbox is out. The downpipe is being taken off right now. The new fuel pump is in, and I am in the process of taking off this charge pipe to equip the CTS charge pipe. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Car is in the air finally, so we're getting moving. Just in case you guys were curious, taking the airbox out for this car is pretty easy. All you do is loosen the clamps here and then just pull it up off the grommets after obviously disconnecting the MAF sensor. And then at that point, it just all comes out. And then from that point, you're going to loosen down here. There's another clamp connected to the pipe, which is connected to the stock airbox, unless you have an aftermarket intake, of course. And then at that point, all you're gonna do is disconnect this right here, disconnect this hose, disconnect, usually you wanna disconnect from right here. After you pull this pipe off, then there's gonna be a C-clamp back here. And what you're gonna do there is you're just going to pop that up, and then all of this should come right off. Alrighty guys, we already disconnected that clamp. I put it back in just so it doesn't get loose and then accidentally disconnect and fall into the engine bay. But now my car has a defect where this is broken, so usually you take this off and you can just pull this out and put it to the side, but for right now I'm just gonna actually have to just put it here while I disconnect the other C-clamp connected to, as you can see, the charge pipe right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's a C-clamp right there we got to disconnect, literally right here, and then at that point all of this comes off in one piece, and then we'll put that one on right there. Alrighty guys, as you guys can see, we have the stock catalytic converter off the car, and if you look over here, we have put in the VRSF downpipe. It's getting tightened up right now, and then we will be doing the charge pipe, putting the airbox back on, and then flashing the car, which will probably take about 15 to 20 minutes because the car is reverted completely back to stock at the moment. So I'll see you guys when we're putting on the charge pipe. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we have the CTS charge pipe back on the car. The stock charge pipe was an absolute bitch to take off. I mean, this thing was not coming off for anybody. I don't know why. Luckily, Chris was able to get that off for me. Helped me out a lot. And now I have the inlet connected again, and we're just gonna put the airbox on and we should be good to go. We're gonna prime the pump now. Send it. quiet. I don't think it's that loud. Yeah, I'll check that real quick. I'm not talking about that. I saw a piece of plastic right there or something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm back on bullshit for sure. Yeah, I'm back on bullshit. Happy. Ooh, hold up. Give me that again. Oh, I hear some turbo flutter. What the fuck was that? Whoa. Alrighty guys, well the car is fully flashed now. Stage 2.5, stage 3 XHP on the transmission flash, and just topping off the coolant here because it did say I was a little low, and we're gonna be ready to rock and roll. We're gonna get on the road, get a couple like POV sound clips in, and then you guys can wait till the next video where we'll be getting some new tires and then really beat on this thing and have some fun. Right now I'm just kind of gonna be chill with it because I mean, like I said, it needs tires and I want to get used to the power again. It's been a little while since I've had a car with some power, so it's going to be pretty fun. Washing in the Supreme Air Force Ones, man. Might as well, you know what? Hold up. Let me wash the shoes. Oh yeah, gotta get those clean too. Oh yeah. Ooh, that worked kind of well. What the fuck? I'm about to start washing my shoes with this. It worked way better. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I don't think I'm used to this anymore. This is kind of crazy. This bitch is gonna step out. Watch this shit. I swear to God, it's just gonna step out. Oh yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yo, no, this shit is crazy. Yo. Oh shit, bro, this shit is. Yo. Oh nah, bro. There's no way, bro. Oh my God, we're gonna get a little wheel spin here. Oh. And I'm spinning. I mean, let me tell you, I'm spinning. I'm just loop-de-doop-de-doo. Holy. Yeah, no, this is absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn that trash control back on though, because yeah, these tires aren't okay for this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's been a minute. But I can tell you what. Oh my God. I'm in love right now. Hello, officer. Don't mind me. It's completely stock. No, I'm in love. I don't know how much better this can get. Okay, alright, bro. Well, there you guys have it. The car's tuned. I'm gonna chill out because I'm literally just not this. I'm not used to this anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's just on 91 right now. So when we turn it up to ethanol and stuff, it's gonna be amazing. Sorry for the poor lighting. It's literally nighttime out, but we'll get some daytime clips in soon. Love you guys, MxgicIQ, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.